Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400 with rear wheel drive. And that twin turbo V6 is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. I apologize, I know that you can probably hear this wind. We have a storm coming in, so I'm trying to get this done for you. See that it does have fog lights up front, painted alloy wheels and red Infiniti brake calipers. This also has dual exhaust. There's the Q50S. Go ahead and give you a shot of that trunk right there. See, it does have a tint all the way around and a sunroof. Quilted black leather seats with red stitching. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 26,368 miles on this vehicle. You have paddle shifters and your stereo controls, push to talk, cruise controls. As you come over here, you'll see that you have push button start. And if any of these LEDs appear to be flickering, that is the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing you that disco party. They don't flicker to the human eye. But you see it is equipped with navigation. And you come down here and you have your apps and your settings. And that'll have your vehicle settings as well. So your remote engine start is on. So if you're walking around with your key fob and you don't want to accidentally start your vehicle, that might be a good thing to do. But you saw also you had your driver performance, your quick guide is right here, your driver assist, Infiniti drive mode selector. So right now it's in sport. And the backup camera, if you pop it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And your 360-degree cameras. As you come down a little bit further, you're going to see that you have your radio button. You can jump right over there and see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, disc, pod, and Bluetooth. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pop that into park. And you see that you also have heated front seats. Here are your comfort controls down the side. And that is your remote start right there, a little circle with an arrow on it. And then you have your shifter, and this works very similar to a mouse that you can control your navigation and stereo and cameras with it. Here your drive mode selection also. And it's much quicker than the other way. And then you also have your cup holder, and then you'll have additional ports down in here for your SD card for your maps. And you'll also have your USBs, and there's your auxiliary ports as well. Alright, that about wraps it up down there. So you come up here, you got your glasses holder, map reading lights, and your sunroof. Okay, we'll go ahead and hop out. Okay, this vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front that affected from the front driver quarter panel to the front passenger quarter panel. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.